Hi, it's Sydney. Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to the fall trend guide. So in case you're new here, hi, make sure you subscribe. Every week this season, I break down the hottest trends and show easy outfit ideas that you can wear at home. And thank you so much for all your comments. I read every single one of them. And I noticed that last season, a lot of you asked for outfits with more comfortable footwear. So today's fall trend guide about booties, I teamed up with Sofft, which is a footwear company that makes seriously the most comfortable booties. Like, you slip them on, they're so cushiony, so soft. I can walk around forever, like literally from day to night. So I thought it was the perfect company to team up with for today's fall trend guide. And not only are they comfortable, but they're also very chic. So I'm gonna bring you 4 trends and show how you can wear each bootie from day to night. First up is florals. So if you remember from last week's trend guide, florals are huge for fall. And I absolutely love these floral booties. So these are Sofft's Westmont bootie. You'll notice the floral design. It has an almond toe, which gives the look of a pointy heel, but it's way more comfortable. And a stacked heel is also super comfortable. They're Western inspired. And again, all these shoes have really cushiony insoles. So super comfy from day to night. So let's start with day. I was inspired by the boho trend with this casual look. I started with a simple t-shirt and jeans and then added a cozy cardigan that brought out the colors of the boots. So if you'll notice, it has this pretty purple floral design with the green and the gold. And then I was feeling extra boho inspired, so I just added a felt fedora. Now for nighttime, I brought out one of my favorite dresses from Fashion Week, this silky slip dress. At Fashion Week, I wore it with sky-high stilettos, but I love it dressed down with the booties. Rust is a huge color for fall, and it just matches perfectly. And then I added a denim jacket for when it gets a little chilly. So I think this is a great date night look if you still want to remain comfy on bottom, because you can walk around all night. Another big trend for booties this season is metallics. So this is Sofft's Tilton bootie. It comes in a bunch of different colors, but I thought this denim was so gorgeous for jeans this season. And you'll notice it's two-tone. So it has the suede in front and then the sheen in the back, which makes it a little bit dressier than your average bootie. So it's really easy to wear from day to night. So for daytime, I did a chunky knit sweater, another big trend for fall, and some skinny jeans so I could show off the booties on bottom. You can really do any color mix you like. Orange is a big color this season, so I went with an orange turtleneck, but you could do a neutral or keep it monochromatic with navy and blue. So speaking of monochromatic, for nighttime, I kept on the same jeans, but I did a camisole and a trench coat. And then I added a little scarf for a pop of color. I'm really loving jewel tones right now, and the denim bootie works really well with sapphires and emeralds. Trend number 3 is buckles. This is Sofft's Aline boot. So you notice the buckles on the side, and it's kind of a hybrid between a Western boot and a moto boot. So I thought that was a cool combination. Stacked heel, and it comes in different colors, but I went with this light brown because it was a great neutral for fall. So for my first look, for a more casual vibe, I live in Los Angeles, so I love boho flair. I paired it with a flowy boho dress. So if you have a dress that hits the floor or just a little above, you can add a comfy bootie underneath. And this is a great look if you're going to a winery or a brunch. For extra Western flair, I just did this Western belt, but you don't have to do that. You could do a simple belt as well. To dress it up a little bit, I added my red coated leather jeans from last year, and then I did a tan blazer to match the tan bootie. So this is a great look if you have a ton of meetings and need to run around town and you want to look chic and professional but stay comfortable. Trend number 4 is lace up. This is the Taken bootie from Sofft. You'll notice the lace up design in front, and I like that it has a zipper so you never have to lace it up each time. It can get so annoying to lace up boots, so it makes it really simple to just pull on and off. Again, the stacked heel and the really comfy cushioning inside. It's giving me all the 90s vibes, which is huge this season. Everything and anything is 90s. So for my first look, I paired the lace-up bootie with a plaid skirt, and then I just did a sleeveless turtleneck and a black bag to match. If it's cooler where you live, you could do a long sleeves turtleneck. And then it also gives a bit of edge to have this lace-up design. So for my nighttime look, I paired the booties with leather pants. I just zipped the pants open a little bit on the side to show off the shoes. And then I did a graphic tee and a blazer and a little bit more edge with this pink and red bag. I hope you enjoyed today's trend guide on booties that are chic for fall but still insanely comfortable. I linked to everything below and you can always ask me your questions. Again, I read all your comments and I want to see how you are wearing the trends at home. So throughout this series, we've been using the hashtag #SSTrendGuide. You trend girls are already killing it. So in case you don't know what that means, every week I pick my trend girls of the week and feature them over on my Insta stories on Instagram. I'm at Sydne Summer over there. So make sure to tag me at Sydne Summer and SS Trend Guide and keep killing it with your fall fashion. I will see you next Thursday. Bye.